Hello and welcome to Life on Pig Row on what is a very sunny day. Today we're planting leeks after we've just cleared the potatoes. You can see us clearing the potatoes here. We've also been replacing the potatoes with brassicas, and particularly Brussels sprouts. So let's plant leeks. So these are our leeks, and we planted these back in March in pots. And they're growing away nicely. Now they're ready to transplant into their final position. The variety we're planting today is blue slates. To do this, all you need is a dibber and a pair of scissors. So let's crack on. So I've knocked the leeks out of the pots, and now all I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them apart into individual plants, gently teasing them apart. Here's all the leeks, nice cleaned off, and I'm going to show you what to do with them next. Now to plant leeks, all you need to do is make a hole. There you are, like that with a dibber, nice and deep. What you're going to do next is you're going to put a leek in there, but this is where the scissors come in, and I'm doing a bit of an old technique here. So all we're going to do is we're going to remove half of the roots like so, and we're going to cut off a bit of the top like that, and that's to limit the stress on the plant. Then what we're going to do then is pop it in the hole here. We just twizzle it down, and what we'll do at the end, we'll water that in and the earth will wash around it, and that is how you plant a leek. So that's all the leeks in the ground, and I'm going to show you now what to do with any leeks that you've got left over. So I've got these leeks left over from a second pot. I've broken them up into clumps. As you can see, there's about 4 or 5 in each clump. I'm going to plant these as a clump, as a cash crop. They'll only be small compared to the other leeks, but they'll be sweet tasting and a wonderful addition to any meal. Where can you plant them? Absolutely anywhere. I'm going to plant mine in the middle of my flower pad. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to show you exactly where I'm going to plant them. So here we are. I've dug a hole beside my dahlias. There you are, going all the way up. And I'm going to pop them in because they'll be here after the dahlias have been pulled up. And also I could probably pull them up at the same time I pull the dahlias up in October and get a nice early crop of leeks. There you go. They'll be okay there. And they'll get fed as well, along with the leeks, and well watered. So that's it from Life on Pig Row. If you like what we do, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're here most Saturdays, and until next time, bye bye.